guys. Now we are going to do this magic balloon experiment. So we open the cake. We need this and we need the equipment. So now don't need the box anymore. Now we just need to open this. That's open like this. It open. After go inside and take this one.
What is this?
That's a tube.
Okay.
Which will put some balloon will be on the tube. This thing. That.
Okay.
So don't need this.
And I think you need the funnel also.
What?
The funnel.
What's the funnel?
It's like this.
Oh yeah.
The triangle cone shape kind of. Yeah.
Yeah, that's one.
Okay.
Now we don't need equipment.
Actually, you need the messy mat and the spoon also.
Where's the messy mat?
That mat is there now on the bottom.
Oh yeah.
And maybe take a spoon also.
Messy mat.
Mm-hmm.
This is the messy mat.
Yeah.
Why do we need this?
You can spread it out so that if anything spills, it spills on top of it. Oh no. Down, yeah.
It is so big.
Yeah, so actually you can put it down wherever you're doing the experiment. You can put it there.
Just have to pick this other thing. Maybe the spoon also.
Yeah, okay.
And this thing also.
Okay, just keep it if you need it. Yeah. Put it here.
Spoon
No.
just in case.
I think, yeah, spoon you will need.
No, just keep it.
Okay.
Just see don't forget about this.
Yeah. So what are you going to put first?
First, open. Also, we cannot put anything before opening.
Mm-hmm.
Take the stuff out.
Mm-hmm.
Get your vinegar out and don't need that anymore.
Yeah, you will need
there are
that.
2 balloons.
So maybe we'll have to use another for another experiment.
No.
Now check what all we have.
Oh, what's this? Cricotyl acid.
Citric acid, that is.
What's this?
That's cornstarch.
Cornstarch. And this is baking soda, obviously. So first we start with
First, maybe you put the...
vinegar in the tube.
Okay, fine. So you should actually measure and put. Or will you be able to put on your own?
Can I measure?
Yeah.
Yeah, how much?
Careful, 15 ml.
15 ml.
Make sure your test tube is standing.
Yeah. No.
And see how much you have to pour for 15 ml. Oh, there is a cap. You have to be careful with that, Akshar. Yeah?
Yeah, how do we open the cap?
Try if you can. Not like that. Yeah, it has to be pulled. Okay, let me try.
It's not possible.
Let me see if I can do it with my left hand.
Close. Try it with your right
I
hand.
think I'll have to try with my right hand. Or I'll have to just keep it.
I'll hold it.
Let me... Enough.
Enough. That's enough. We might need more vinegar for...
Put this top on the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now close it.
We might need more for some other activity.
Yeah, I think you've used a lot. Is that 15 ml?
Yeah. Oh, it's 20 ml.
Huh?
It's 20 ml.
Okay, fine. You want to put some back?
But okay. Do we put it in the tube?
Yeah,
Okay, no one's seeing.
carefully. Okay.
All the water is wet.
And maybe you can put the lid for that so that it doesn't spill by the time. No. Put the lid. Put the lid because you need to put something inside the balloon, na? This is one ingredient. That's the vinegar. Okay. Keep. You don't need to shake it. Keep it. Yeah. Now,
this?
yeah, that funnel goes inside the balloon.
This thing.
Yeah.
This ending.
Yeah.
Okay.
And put it down.
So this can be the trial.
Oh no. Maybe you need the balloon for the other experiment. So let's not make it trial but final. Yeah.
This is gonna fit.
Yeah, it's going fine.
No.
Yeah.
Now what do I do?
Now you have to put. Where is your book?
Yeah.
Take out your book. Huh.
Yeah.
So what does it say?
It says put 15 milliliters.
Yeah.
Sorry, there was some package coming in. Now I have 1 scoop of baking soda. I'm pouring it into the balloon. Or all of it. All of it. Yeah, in the balloon. It's in the balloon.
Okay.
Now, what do I put?
Now you take out the funnel from the balloon's mouth. Huh. Put the balloon aside. Yeah. Okay. Now you have to open the test tube. So yeah, just keep it. Okay. Yeah. And now you have to try to cover the mouth.
Without spilling.
Yeah. You'll have to hold with one hand. Or maybe let me help you with this.
Yeah, let me.
Wait.
Without spilling it.
Yeah, without spit. Yeah. So what are you doing next?
Next, I took some help for making this part. Look. Now we're gonna flip it over.
Ah!
Okay.
No, you don't have to flip it like that. You have to put the balloon up.
Oh.
Put the balloon up, yeah. So that it goes inside. Is it going? Is it going?
The baking soda is going.
Oh, yeah, let it go. Let it go, yes. Ooh!
That was great, Siddharth. That was great, Padakka.
So what happened, Akshar?
It was
Do you
actually
know
chemical. Vinegar and baking soda make a chemical reaction and release carbon dioxide. So that's what has happened.
And that filled the balloon and then the balloon popped.
Yeah, it made me wet.
Oh, that's why we need the messy, what do you say? That messy mat because so that the mess can be avoided.
It was a great eruption.
Yeah. So
The other balloon?
no, now the carbon dioxide has all escaped.
What is this stuff?
So that's for another day. I think today's experiment we are done, right?
No. All these experiments.
No, if you do all in one day, then it will not be fun.
No. Not all in, but all the explosive ones. Then more on the messy.
So you need to read that and then you pick the next one, okay?
Yeah.
So
That's it for today. Bye. Bye, kid. Bye. Sorry.
bless you.
Bye.